Now we are going to introduce how to import the shopping amount from Excel file. Please click Basic Data and then click Shopping Store Management. You can search shopping store by country or city, or the name or the type. Please click Search and then please select one shopping store. Please click Setup to set up the Excel format. Please type in the name of the column. So now we can type in by date and then tour guide and then number of people and then tour code and then shopping item A and shopping item B. After finish, please click Submit. And next, we are going to import the shopping amount from Excel file. Please click Import from Excel and then please copy the data from Excel file and paste in the form. Please follow this format. So first is date, the second is tour guide, and third is the number of people, and the next is tour code, and the next is shopping amount A and shopping amount B. After finish, please click Import. And then please search this tool in Inbound tool. So we can paste the tour code we just copied and then click Submit. Please click this tour code and then click shopping amount. And search the shopping store Big C, and this is number of people, and shopping amount A, shopping amount B. That's the whole process of how to import the shopping amount from Excel file.